Hello and welcome. Let's discuss booking a ride. Head on over to the top left and click on New Booking. The top section is only if you are booking for a corporate account that invited you to the travel arranger platform. You can search the point of contact's name or the company name that you are booking for. Otherwise, please disregard this top section and continue down below. Here, you want to determine if you are booking a point-to-point or an hourly ride. For today's test ride, we're going to be booking a point-to-point, pickup and drop-off. Start by typing in the address and then select the option from the drop-down menu. For airports, type in the airport code like JFK or LAX. Select the airport from the drop-down menu. Then select the requested date and pickup time. Then select Get Quote. This will show the available vehicle options. The vehicle will show the base price along with the maximum capacity for bags and passengers. For today's trip, I have 5 passengers and 5 bags, so I'll be selecting the SUV XL. After vehicle selection, you will now see the all-inclusive rate under the trip summary on the right side. When putting in the passenger info, you do have the option of selecting a passenger who is already added to your passenger list. Simply start by typing out their name and then select them from the drop-down. For more info, please see our passengers video. If you are trying to use an email that has already been used for another passenger, you will get a duplicate email error. Please be sure to use a unique email per passenger. If you are booking for a first-time passenger, simply fill in all of their information. An account will be created after the booking. An email will be sent to them asking to register their account. After creating a password, they can log into LUXYRide.com or the LUXY Ride app. Continue on with the flight information. LUXY requires the info, whether it's inbound or outbound, so we can see if there's any major delays or cancellations, and ensure that the driver will be there for the proper pickup time. Click on the drop-down menu and select the airline. You can also type in the airline's abbreviation like AA for American Airlines or DL for Delta, and it will be highlighted for you to select. Trip notes is where you can put pertinent details that pertain to that trip. Anything you want LUXY or the driver to know, please enter here. Profile notes is where you can add notes to the customer's profile that'll show on every trip. For more info, see our passengers video. In the extra services section, you will see that trip protection is on by default. Here, you have the option to add inside meet and greet, traveling with a pet, different child seats like rear facing, booster seat, or forward facing, and the option of adding a promo code. LUXY accepts all major debit and credit cards. We also now accept PayPal, Google Pay, and Venmo. You also have the option to save the card to that passenger's profile. In the future, every time you select that passenger from the drop-down, the card will be present. After reviewing the details, click on Confirm Booking and you are all set. You can now click on Rides, then All to view the details of the reservation. You and the passenger will both get a booking confirmation email. Please note that when booking on the agent platform, the cost of the trip is not displayed in the booking confirmation email to the passenger. If you have any questions, please reach out to the LUXY customer service team. Once again, welcome aboard and thanks for checking out this video.